And I think to save myself some animating, because we can always see at this point here, yeah. So what happens at this point? Up. It's more just a lot of head movement here. Okay, so let's create a new camera now. I'm going to clone this one. Shift D. Rotate. Control O. G. GX. It's real tied up. Cam 4. Control M. Cam 4. Okay. Control B. Yep. So it's a really tight shot. So he's now looking at it and he's going to... So now look, I don't have to animate any of this lower half, which I wasn't really going to anyway, but... And... Bah! So at this point here, okay, M... Control M, Cam 5... Cam 5 car, let's just put it like that. Shift D, rotate Z, Control O, rotate Z. And then I think, yeah, let's just try and maybe get everything in. As it drives past, maybe we'll Cam 5, Control B. I think what I will do though is just move that a little bit to the right, so we're kind of how an actual camera would be. It's almost always at that height anyway, but at what point, so I think maybe when it turns to look this way, we'll go Control, go M, and what should we go back to? I think Cam 4. I do like Cam 4. It looks quite nice. Let's go back to Cam 4. Control O. Control B. Control M. Cam 4. Okay. Okay. So he's looking at it. Did we? I think we did say that we're going to have... Oh no, I think that's more suspenseful. He doesn't show the finger. That's alright. Let's not worry about that bit. How should we do this? So this bit where a person's walking past, I think with the whole scene as well. So letterbox and location. Letterbox and location, GX. Just going to move everything a little bit closer. Oh, that was annoying. Delete that. Control Z, beautiful. Letterbox. Where's this keyframe for the letterbox? Delete keyframe. Good. So now we're much closer. Cool. And so we've got, he swipes his finger. Look at that. He looks that way first and then looks this way. So maybe what we'll do is, it's going to be sucky, but what does this shot look like? Rotate Z maybe a little bit. Yep, let's go on frame 1700. He's made eye contact with the lady that's coming. And we are on Control B. What cam was that? Cam 2. And that's where the lady will walk past. And so he comes back around, Control, oops, okay, M, and let's go into a close one, Control O, whoops, oh, far out. G, X, Y, X. Oh. That's severely annoying. Control O. Oh, how much does he move? So he's pretty much standing on top of it. Okay. GX. What did I just move? The letterbox. Really? On the gutter. Okay. Control O. Nope. Control O. Control O, GY. So I'm just trying to go back now and fix these problems. I. Control G, X, Y. Rotate Z. I. There you go. So we fix that up a little bit. And as he's turning in, cam 3, nice, tight, Control B, okay, so it's nice and wide, and then come back in, and then the piano falls down. Crazy. Oh, actually, no. I think that's wrong. I think it should be Shift D. A very wide shot. GX. A real wide shot. Control M. Oops. Cam 6. Okay. Control B. Control M. Cam 6. I did put that in there. Beautiful. cam 6. So an extreme wide, and then we'll put the piano there. And I'll make sure when he falls down, the piano falls down on him. Alright, so let's see what this looks like. Oh, that's too slow. Okay, so I'm going to quickly render this out, and then we'll come back. This one. So we've finished going through it all. Now, I did put the high model thing on. Let's do a Control F11. Let's have a look how it turns out. So I think already it's going to have to make him change where he looks. So I'm just going to shorten that bit there. So now we're reading bad things will happen or whatever it was. There's a bit of a think, like, as I look around. He's got a cheesy smile already on him. Whoop. And we'll have the car gun past. Oof. Oof. Jeez Louise. Okay. Anyone come past? Whoop. Huh. Huh. Oop. Person coming past. As he walked past, speed him up a little bit. Pfft. Piano. Alright. So, yeah, well, let's leave it there and then we'll continue on in the next bit.